Hi, welcome to another fun tutorial. In 10 easy steps, we are going to learn how to draw an ice cream cone, a fun and simple cartoon ice cream drawing that looks delicious. Ice cream is a popular dessert around the world, but it is most popular in the United States, New Zealand, Australia, and Norway. There are so many flavors, making it really versatile and yummy for lots of different people with different taste buds. Get in a comfy spot, pick out your favorite drawing materials, and follow along for an easy ice cream cone sketch tutorial. Happy drawing! Draw the sprinkles. Add more sprinkles. Start drawing the ice cream scoop. Draw the rest of the scoop. Add a smiling face. Finish the face. Draw the ice cream cone. Draw markings on the ice cream cone. Add more detail to the markings. Draw pieces of ice. Color in your ice cream cone.